This is Kayla Johnson's response to Amber Diggin.
Hello, Amber. I appreciate the fact that you mentioned three main theories within the field of counseling that we will use as future counselors. And the main thing you mentioned was a set of principles that we must establish as future counselors. It's better for us to understand human behavior, but first we must understand ourselves in order to help those in need. It's always good to have a full body scan of ourselves at all times, just to be aware of our own thoughts, feelings, reactions, and responses, right? So, the next key thing that you mentioned was framework, right? Framework is completely, it helps us as future counselors. And why I say that is because framework is just kind of like a roadmap, as you described. And the roadmap helps us as tools, as counselors, to know what type of therapy to utilize in our daily practices, such as psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, reality therapy, family systems therapy, solution focused therapy, and more. And also, research helps us to understand the roadmaps that we establish with our clients, because we may end up finding a new framework or methodology to our practices, such as we may develop our own types of therapies and have better outcomes with that, and actually establish more research for others to incorporate into their daily practices and routines. You also mentioned Rousseau, if I pronounced that correctly, and that was a key important research piece to your article there as to why the frameworks are so special for future counselors in training. I also noted that Corey mentioned many different types of methodologies, and especially when it comes to ethical practices. We always must uphold the ethical practices, along with making sure that we're not causing any harms at all to the clients. You mentioned completely phenomenal key factors, and I look forward to walking the path with you and our future classmates as we continue our journey throughout this class. Thank you.